Good morning, everybody. It is 7 a.m. We are headed to shoot, and I'm very excited because we're shooting for something cool today. I hope you guys are enjoying all the videos on the YouTube channel. I'm having a blast, and नहीं आज वैलेंटाइंस डे नहीं है, और वैसे भी अगर होता भी तो मुझे कोई रोजेस नहीं मिलते, मुझे कोई रोजेस नहीं देता है वैलेंटाइंस डे पे। ये वीडियो राघव को भिजवा देना। Anyway, today is a more special day than Valentine's Day. It is Women's Day. Happy Women's Day, everybody. And अगर मुझे रोजेस किसी ने नहीं दिए तो ये रोजेस मेरे हाथ में क्या कर रहे हैं? Surprise. This is a thriller video. Suspense. These roses are going to go to some very special people today. So follow along. बहुत मजा आने वाला है आज. Because let's see किसको ये रोज मिलता है मुझसे। वाह! Come. I love my morning. I'm the happiest when it's like this temperature of the day. Like no harsh sunlight, beautiful. It smells nature and pollution sometimes. But yeah, everybody's fresh. Day is just starting. Wow, poet. 7:35 a.m. and look at the traffic. We left home at 6:30 a.m. to avoid the traffic. क्योंकि मैंने सोचा था क्या इंटेलिजेंट हूँ मैं सुबह 6 बजे निकल जाऊंगी घर से, कोई ट्रैफिक नहीं होगा, मैं अकेली होंगी इस रोड पे।
Do you ever sleep in cars?
I cannot actually. That's a great question. मैं बिल्कुल नहीं सो सकती. I could be in this car for 12 hours. I will not sleep. I will not sleep because I cannot sleep sitting. I need to lie down with my razai. Don't remind me of razai and all this. अब जब हम बोर हो ही रहे हैं गाड़ी में गाइस, इस गाड़ी में कुछ लोग हैं जो कैमरा के पीछे हैं, उन्होंने मुझे बोला है कि मैं अपने कमेंट्स पढूं. हमने रिसेंटली अपना नर्सरी रिवील किया था and everybody's like let's read the comments because they're really something. So I have opened it for the first time to see. Yes! This is his phone. Nice cover. Nursery reveal पे first comment. Loved your recent budget speech, Raghav sir. क्या किसी को पता है कि ये नर्सरी की वीडियो है? Hi ma'am, I am the biggest fan of your husband. RC, thank you for speaking up for the people of this country. If we vote as elect a politician, we can also... This is true. So, everybody's talking about Raghav. Raghav Chadha is a decent, highly educated guy. Our country needs more politicians like him. Okay, I want comments. से मैं कहाँ गई? 1 मिनट में हूँ ना इस वीडियो में. She is so natural and humble. I really like listening to her while speaking. She speaks so well. Thank God, मैं भी हूँ. All the comments are about Raghav. I love it. White symbolizes peace and calm. Obviously, a nursery will have different vibes, full of positivity. Actually, हमको यही चाहिए था. And a lot of people are messaging us saying we are so inspired. We are going to do the same thing because, of course, the baby is very young. तो अभी the colors and the designs and things for his development are now going to change with his age. The first 3 months are more about taking care of a child and the newness of parenthood. So we wanted a calm room. So all those people who are saying कि put this, सब आ रहा है, सही time पे आ रहा है. अभी ज़रूरत नहीं थी. We are the biggest fan of your singing. Can you sing at least one song per vlog? That's a great idea. मुझे करना है और म्यूजिक कंटेंट. आई वांट टू डू मोर सिंगिंग कंटेंट, सो आई विल डू मोर सिंगिंग कंटेंट. द वे शी calmly listens when he speaks. He's the only one who can make me quiet. What a beautiful name, God bless, but thank you. This is another thing, a lot of people message us about Me's name and how much they love the name. And I feel it really suits him. I was always a water baby, and now my baby is a form of water and form of life. Raghav, I love him, but now he's my Jiju. Husband and wife cover each other, they meet each other. So nice. I really like Raghav sir. I think I need to show these to Raghav क्योंकि सारे comments Raghav के बारे में हैं. I'm a big fan of Raghav sir. Respect button for Raghav Chadha. Yeah. So sweet, guys. How sweet. This is fun. We should do more of these. Almost. I hate it when the hair is in this stage. When like one side is done, one side is not done, clips are there. It makes me uncomfortable. Almost ready. I think I can walk out. But first, as we know, 21 days still going on. कितने दिन रह गए? शायद मैं 21 से ज़्यादा कर लूँ. वाह. I've been very disciplined and I've not even missed a single day yet. And I feel light and I feel good and I feel charged. I don't feel bloated, I feel light. I feel good. I feel good. चलो ये बन गया मेरा टेस्टी जलजीरा नींबू पानी. Cheers. And as usual I have a lipstick mark. As usual there's a lipstick mark. Guys, वैलेंटाइन में मुझे कोई फूल नहीं मिले. राघव ने भी नहीं दी. वैलेंटाइन में नहीं मिले पर विमेंस डे पे मिल गए. Thank you, thanks. Also, they are my favorite flowers. Oh, how sweet! That's lovely.
You know, we are also toddler moms here.
Are you guys really? Tips, please.
Yes, absolutely.
I need tips.
Right.
चलो आ जाओ. Why such a big glass of coffee? ये तो छोटा है. What I actually need is a bucket. Stunning shot. This is a very good shot. So today on shoot there are so many women, amazing women who are doing amazing work. But a lot of time these women tend to ignore their own needs, like they've not eaten breakfast or they didn't have time to wash their hair today, so many things. So I think today is a good day to celebrate them and I'm going to celebrate them in a special way. Happy Women's Day. You have to share a rose. मोहसिन तुम मुझे नहीं दे सकते Women's Day पे. You don't get. Only women. Disha has to get one. Disha. Oh, how sweet. My goodness. Oh, one second.
You like those books, no? So they've called for it and they've got it.
No, you're joking. How sweet. Thank you. Let me come down. Oh, how sweet of you. Thank you. Oh, I should have said more things that I liked. I was loving the clothes also. I was loving many things. I really like this sweater that they brought for me on set today. I'm planning to buy it. क्योंकि सेट पे मेरे साइज के कपड़े आए हैं तो आज मैं शॉपिंग कर लूंगी उस। ओह ये तो बहुत बड़ा है। रिजेक्ट। लोग शॉपिंग मॉल्स जाते हैं, मैं जाती हूँ अपनी शूट्स पे शॉपिंग करने के लिए। I like, that's cute. I'm gonna buy this. Oh, one more I found. Done. Have you eaten lunch?
Not yet, but it's okay. I'll just.
This is the problem with women. They will always say it's okay. Like I do it myself. I have not eaten breakfast or lunch, and I'm like, it's okay. It's fine. Why do we do this? Especially like moms. You're not even a mom.
Not a mom yet.
And you've already started doing this.
Yeah.
No, it's not okay. You're gonna get a rose for this. I'm giving roses to all these cool girls who are working hard, but they're not eating, and they're just saying it's okay. She's eaten lunch, that's why I'm not giving her. You also not eaten? One more rose for lunchless ladies. This is your title. मुझे तो मिला ही नहीं.
Here you go. Happy Women's Day.
Thank you, girls. Well done. 1 second. We have found one more person. Come. तुम लंच वाले लोगों को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Have you eaten lunch?
No, not really. I
She has
forgot
not.
to eat.
She is for 1 second. This is Sanya. This is the costume department. As you can see, shoot खत्म भी हो गया है और अभी तक एक लड़की ने lunch नहीं खाया है. And you're fine with it?
I'll eat it later. When I go.
This is the problem. She gets a rose because women work too hard sometimes and they don't eat lunch and they don't do things. Happy Women's Day.
Same to you.
Thank you. एक ही लड़के को नहीं दूंगी रोज. This is Gunjan, Ma'am Gunjan, Madam Gunjan from the agency, and I just heard her schedule from yesterday. Can you tell me what you've done yesterday and today?
Yes. So I started my day at 8 o'clock yesterday. I had a shoot in Mud Island. Then I had a cousin's
In
wedding.
Bombay. Yeah.
And then I took a jetty. I took a metro. Then I took a train to go to Dadar for a cousin's wedding at Bastion at the top.
Okay, keep going and please अभी पता चलेगा कि आज कहाँ है ये.
And then after that, I attended my cousin's wedding for like 20 minutes. And then I had to take a taxi to rush to the airport for the shoot that's happening today.
Which is in?
Delhi.
Which is in Gurgaon, in fact. So she has landed into Delhi and come to Gurgaon. So इनको मिलता है travel award. And how many meals did you eat since yesterday?
2.
Would you like to say something? Public? This is the way these girls work. This is not cool. Actually, even I have not eaten, so I keep like making it sound like तुम लोग ये क्या कर रहे हो? We are all guilty of this. We don't eat properly. We don't sleep properly. New moms are like, don't worry, I will wash my hair tomorrow. कोई बात नहीं, चाय ठंडी हो गई तो हम नहीं पियेंगे. And we always are like, it's fine. I'm not important, but you are important. And today is Women's Day. कहाँ है रोज वाला आदमी? You get a rose for being an amazing woman. Great. I'm going to keep that. Okay, bye. I'm going to keep that.